Hey guys, Brendan Lamb here, Texas pitmaster and live fire cook. So we got a nice turkey in from Nebraska, Mallard Bay, brought it out for me. And we are going to get a nice brine going today, which I just now set up. And then we'll smoke it spatchcock tomorrow. So we're gonna make this brine now that we have this turkey nice and plucked in here. Thank y'all Mallard Bay for hooking me up with the bird so quick. We're gonna get about a quarter cup of brown sugar in there. Might have been a little bit more than a quarter cup. Cup of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna do about 3/4 cup of honey. We started off with our about gallon of water there. It was a rosemary, 2 garlic cloves, well, 2 heads of garlic, my bad. We're gonna put a couple of bay leaves in there. We're gonna put some peppercorn. I put 2 lemons, just cut them in half, an orange, about a cup and a half, some good old Texas bourbon. All right, let's get them in here. All right, this will be at least overnight. We're gonna keep our bird in here. I'll get the rest of these feathers off before we cook. And we're good to go. Let me get this thing all wiped off. Great for some stock, real fatty. I'm gonna take some of that corn out of there. And do it, you get your shears and pop it. There it goes. I'm gonna flip this fella upside down, push him down. That's the sound you're looking for. Make sure you season the bottom half, which I already did. And then I like to finish it off with my buddies over at Dozier Barbecue. Them and Buck Commander, they got a thing called Foul Play. This stuff is the truth.
Hey, look at Daddy.
Look at Daddy.
We are looking decent, starting to bark up a little bit. So we're cooking here at about 275 on a pretty big offset. So if you got a smaller one at home, 275 will work still, but you just got to pay a little bit more closer attention because it's going to be a little bit closer to the heat source. I've got a lot of air moving over mine, so I'm going to have probably pretty dried out skin, which will be good. This bird's got some great color. All right, look at that. We've got ourselves a turkey. So our friends over at Mallard Bay sent it down overnight. We got it in a brine and then threw it on the smoker today. We're just gonna go straight in for the breast here. Oh yeah. It's a nice piece right there. Look at that, nice and moist. Mm-hmm.